Welcome to Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. If you're seeing the error, Google Play Services keeps stopping, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll explain what Google Play Services is, why it's essential for your Android device, and most importantly, 5 easy ways to fix this issue. Let's dive in. What is Google Play Services? Google Play Services is a background system component that keeps Android apps running smoothly. It manages app updates, location services, Google account syncing, authentication for apps. Without it, many apps won't work properly. Now, let's fix the issues. Solution 1. Restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh system processes and fix minor glitches. Just turn your phone off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Then check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Update Google Play Services. An outdated version can cause crashes. To update, Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for Google Play Services. Step 3. Tap Update if available. Solution 3. Clear the Google Play Services app cache. Step 1. Tap on Apps under Settings. Step 2. Then find the Google Services Framework app and force stop it. Step 3. Then, tap on Clear Cache. Solution 4. Uninstall Google Play Services updates. In this part, we are recommending users the removal of the updates for Google Play Services. Step 1. Go to the Settings and navigate to Apps option. Step 2. A list of apps will be displayed on the screen. Locate Google Play Services. Step 3. Then, tap on Uninstall Updates. Solution 5. Reset app preferences. If none of the previous solutions worked, resetting app preferences can help restore default settings without deleting your data. This will re-enable disabled apps and reset app permissions, which might fix the issue. Steps to reset app preferences. Open Settings on your device. Navigate to Apps and Notifications, or just Apps. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Reset App Preferences and confirm. After doing this, restart your device and check if the error is resolved. Conclusion. Google Play Services is crucial for your Android device, and fixing this error is easy with these 5 methods. Which fix worked for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Android tips from Tekzoid. See you in the next one.